In today's video, I'm talking all about how to shoot a unique cover video. So let's say an artist gets in touch with you and they've recorded a cover of the brand new Ariana Grande track and they want you to make the video to it. How do you make this unique and how do you make the video stand out on a platform where there are millions, if not billions of covers already uploaded? Well, the first tip is to take a look at the original music video and take inspiration from that. Now, last year I shot a cover video for the boy band Road Trip for Camila Cabello's Havana. Now, Havana is a beautiful city located in Cuba, and if you search for Havana in Google, then you're presented with all of these beautiful images of Spanish architecture. So to reference that town and that beautiful architecture, we found a Spanish garden inside of London and we shot the whole video there. Now, this was a really easy and pretty affordable way to make the cover video connect to the original track. It made the video more authentic and it helped the video to stand out amongst all of the other covers that had been uploaded to YouTube. Of course though, you're not just limited to location choices, you can also pick outfits related to the original track, you can choose a color scheme from the video. Just look at the original video, listen to the lyrics of the track, and try and find something from those to link into your cover video. So, tip number 2 is to make the video interesting. Don't just let the camera sit on the tripod for the whole of the video shoot. You want to experiment with different camera movement and different transitions to make the video stand out and be interesting. Now, personally, I'm a huge fan of big camera movement, so I like to put the camera onto a glide cam and circle around the artist when they're performing the track. And I'm also a huge fan of unique transitions. But each and every track is different, so that means that each and every video is also going to need to be unique for its own reasons. So take your time to figure out the best way to shoot the project. Now, tip number 3 is to thoroughly listen to your track when you're in the editing process and make cuts according to the track. This means, in the most basic example, if you have a fast track, you should be making cuts more frequently. And if you have a slower track, then you should be making cuts less frequently. You can also try using some editing effects and some editing techniques, because that is really going to exaggerate the tempo of the track. Now, one of the great things about uploading cover videos is they're a really great opportunity to grow on YouTube, but this is, of course, time sensitive. If there's already 500 cover videos of the same track that you're shooting and editing your video to, then chances are your video will probably not do very well because nobody is going to want to see the 501st version of a song. Now, of course, if you're only responsible for the video and you don't control the timeline and the artist has got in touch with you really late to shoot this video, then it's up to you to go online and look at all of the other video covers online and try and figure out how they've approached their video. You want to go through and watch maybe 30, 40 or even 50 covers, try and figure out what they've done with the video and try and create a new and interesting concept for your cover video. Being one of the first people to upload a cover video to a brand new track is basically a surefire way to get loads of views online. But even if you are late, as long as you've got a great track and you've got a really unique video that corresponds well and relates back to the original track, then you're going to get really good traction online, and this is going to be a really good look for you. And there you go, those are my top 4 tips on how to shoot and edit a cover video for YouTube. Now, it's super important that you enjoy this whole process, be as creative as possible, and just create an awesome video that yourself and the artist can be proud of. Now, before I leave and before you click away onto a brand new video, I just want to ask the question, what is your favorite cover video that you've seen uploaded to YouTube? Let me know what your favorite is in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this one, then don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.